And a very familiar picture to us all, of course. This is a live picture from Chardon Square. It has been a day of healing there as students, teachers, and the community all came together to remember the victims of the school shooting that happened a year ago today.
There's a new legal development tonight in the Chardon case.
Even though T.J. Lane pleaded guilty, the case is now heading to another courtroom. On your side, Chief Investigator Ron Regan joins us with news of a wrongful death lawsuit.
Yeah, that's right. This is the 21-page lawsuit right here, and the families of 3 of the Chardon teens filed that. These are Chardon teens that were shot to death. They are taking T.J. Lane, his parents, and an uncle, and grandparents Jack and Carol Nolan to court. They're seeking financial compensation for the devastating loss of their children. Now, T.J. Lane pled guilty to the murders yesterday in a Geauga criminal courtroom, but this case is going to move to a Lake County civil courtroom because that's where Lane was living at the time. The families of 16-year-old Daniel Parmenter, 16-year-old Demetrius Yulin, and 17-year-old Russell King are asking for compensation for mental anguish, emotional trauma, and the loss of companionship of their children. Now, the lawsuit also alleges negligence by Lane's family, claiming a lack of supervision and control. The gun used in the attack belonged to Lane's uncle, John Bruning, and the lawsuit seeks $25,000 in damages, but that is routinely used in wrongful death lawsuits, and it will ultimately be up to a jury to decide the actual amount of the damages. And those could be in the millions and millions of dollars.
Well, so there could then be a trial with witnesses, or there
Yes.
could be a settlement?
There could be a settlement, but if it goes to trial, a wrongful death lawsuit and hearing trial will play out much like a criminal trial would, with witnesses and testimony, and that could be painful.
And testimony from the students coming back
Yes.
again.
Very painful.